the key discussion here, the key argument between the seller and the buyer, in this case, sellers and buyers, I mean, is whether this clause applies at the time of closing. And what I mean by that is that if any conditions or detrimental conditions are discovered before closing, whether this clause kicks in. So the buyers argued that yes, this clause, and if any detrimental conditions are found before closing, this clause applies and we can get out of the agreement. The seller said, no, this clause is written that at the time that we signed the agreement of purchase and sale, we, the sellers, didn't know of any detrimental conditions. So it applies at the time the agreement of purchase and sale was signed, and there's no evidence that we knew of any detrimental conditions. Therefore, you cannot rely on this warranty. And the buyer said, well, why does it say it will survive the closing of the transaction and shall only apply to circumstances existing at or before closing? So this little last bit of the clause is why the buyers thought, well, it covers us until closing if there's any detrimental conditions found. And the court found that the sellers are correct